right, guys. So the day is finally here. I know we are so excited. We've been working on this for so long, and this is Jewel, and she reached out to me and told me about this concept. Like, hey, Sharon, the client is a car wash company. What can we do that can bring in, the touch of Jewel, and the events the last touch. So it's like the touch of event deluxe, whatever you want to say. Anyhow, so we both went to work and we came up with these elements. You want to talk about how we came up with the ideas?
Yes. So my client wanted an activation station during the cocktail hour that was going to give their guests a good experience. And so I figured, you know what? Who can help me build a car wash
Yep.
as an activation station? And I reached out to Sharon. I said, girl, I got this crazy idea. I know that you've done some crazy designs. So what do you think about this? Pitch the concept to her, show her the 3D. And she was like, we are born
We
in
can
this
make
together.
that happen.
We fine-tuned it and she came up with, ideas to actually make it feel real. And y'all just wait.
Yes.
Just wait.
We are so excited. You need to see us going to actual car wash. I'm like, wait, Joel, you
What is
remember the
this?
video
Yeah.
I said? I'm like, wait, this thing is actual. Like, it
No,
was amazing.
yeah.
It's an amazing experience. Like, I am so excited to see it all come together because this is something we've not done
different.
before.
It's very different.
It's like right now it's living in our heads.
Yes.
And we're just going to bring it to life. We hope you love it as much as we already love it. We haven't seen it, but we already love it.
Yeah,
So,
'cause we're building everything on scratch. So
Yes.
you see, we're moving
Pieces.
so we're going to be building it actually on site. And I think what's more exciting is the fact that the client don't even know what it looks like.
Yep.
So they just trusted. They came to me and said, "Hey, I want you to come up with an idea." They trusted the decisions. They trusted our creativity, and of course, working with remarkable creative partners, we were able to bring this together. So I think I'm more excited to see like the expressions on the guests
I
as they walk in
cannot
tomorrow.
wait. The event is tomorrow, so we're here today, a day before to put it because there's literally no room for
No hiccups,
errors.
no hiccups.
So we are here today to like put it all together, make sure everything is good, and then tomorrow we just wait and see their faces.
All right,
And that's it. Let's get the work! So pillars is what we're doing today. So 6 of these pillars, 4 of those lights. At the end of the car wash tunnel, we wanted like, those brushes that just come from, kind of dries up the car. I don't even know what it's called. So that's why we're gonna have our 3D arbor. We're gonna paint it in black, which is what we're doing right now. And then we're gonna attach those felt pieces to it just to simulate that car wash experience of when a car is driving through and just exits from it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, it is done. Our car wash is ready. And I am so excited how this came out. Just look at this gorgeousness. From the beginning till the end, I was every step of the way really excited, but nothing compares to this moment. In a few minutes, guests are gonna be coming in and enjoying this activation. I am so excited. From the beginning to this point, this was intentional designing, sourcing, engineering, everything put together, and we're finally here. We did it, the event deluxe way. I'll see you. That is so funny. What are you looking for, my secrets?
We got to like you want to make something like this for a float. We're like, this is awesome. Great job.
Thank you.